So I made a post about a week ago saying that to me Jamaica is the best country in the world, and baby, the people from the other islands came for me. They were upset. I seen people saying that Jamaica is stealing Caribbean culture, and I just want to know, why is it that every time a Jamaica posts something bigging up their culture and their country, most people from the other islands are so upset? So what is the real issue? Why are you guys really upset with Jamaica?
I love Jamaican food, but I don't really love Jamaican people, because when you go to a Jamaican restaurant and they mess up your order, they don't even apologize. They just give you more cabbage or more plantains. And then in real life, if a Jamaican is disrespectful or they do something wrong, they don't even apologize in real life. What they'll say is, "I'm sorry you feel that way." Excuse me, what? Like, I just don't know if I could be friends with somebody who don't know how to take accountability. But the food is good, though.
What is the underlying issue that the Caribbean have with Jamaicans and Jamaica? Are we the problem like what? I know for we fall, so we are the crowd favorite, you know. And our fault, so the world love us. We just come and be ourselves and them love us for that. That's just it. We love every other Caribbean island and we show everybody support and love. So why every time we always see videos like this on the internet, when we try to big up the island, we try to put down Jamaica? For what? What a purpose? We love everybody, you know. But I have no problem with you.
So I made a post about a week ago saying that to me Jamaica is the best country in the world, and baby, the people from the other islands came for me. They were upset. I seen people saying that Jamaica is stealing Caribbean culture, and I just want to know, why is it that every time a Jamaica posts something bigging up their culture and their country, most people from the other islands are so upset? Because to me, I think it's just that Jamaicans are very proud. We're very proud of our culture. We're very proud of our country, and we're going to always pick it up every chance we get. If you go to a Jamaican's profile, you're going to know that they're Jamaican because you're going to see a flag. You're going to see them singing to some Jamaican songs. You're going to see them talking about Jamaica on their page. But a lot of y'all from the other islands, when I go to your page, I don't even know where you're from, because you don't even talk about your country. You don't even talk about your culture. Like, some of y'all that was coming for my neck are not even brave enough to post your own country and be proud of your own country. So I just don't understand, why are you so upset? Is it that you're upset because when people think of the Caribbean, the first country they think of is Jamaica? That's not our fault. Are you upset because people associate the Caribbean with Jamaica? That's also not our fault. So what is the real issue? Why are you guys really upset with Jamaica?
So I don't know what the issue is with some people from other islands when it comes to Jamaicans, and when it comes to you not disrespecting us and not liking us. Because you see, Jamaican people, all we do is eat mangoes and mind our business. You don't see Jamaicans coming on here talking about no other islands. You don't see us picking on you lot. You don't see us bullying you lot. But you lot stay coming on here disrespecting Jamaican people solely for clout. And I don't know why some of you lot do it, because Jamaican people, if anything, we can cuss, bruv. So we just gonna cuss you lot in the comments. Like the Haitians once upon a time tried us and had Jamaican people in the comments about to take back our donations that we gave in the earthquake. Now here comes the nigga that swallowed Jonah from the island of the Bahamas talking about Jamaica people unprovoked for no apparent reason. Respucia, what the hell did Jamaican people and Jamaican people's food and culture did to you for you to come out here be disrespecting us? And if we clap back now and we start talking about you lot and we start this and we start that now, you lot will come and try vilify us and make us seem like we are the problem. And Caribbean people, please, can we start getting along? Like, believe it or not, Jamaicans actually like you lot, bro. We actually like you people. We like, you know, your little walk-up culture. We like your accent. We like your food. We like you lot stuff. We mess with you lot, bro. We don't know why you don't like us, but we mess with you. And I know it's not all of you. I know that a majority of you lot are some beautiful people. You just have the rare few.
I was told to go back home to Jamaica by a black American man, and this is the reason why. So the other day I made a comedy sketch about Caribbean people seeing an American soap commercial for the first time. This is how it went.
Their sleepy eyes. Morning's here. Time to come alive.
Basically poking fun at the fact that we never see a washcloth in one of these soap commercials. You're not going to see one because obviously they're advertising the soap. But some people didn't get the joke, or they were offended because, hey, I'm not from America. And this is what somebody had to say. So I was told by this big tub of lard here, Omar Velos is dead, on Instagram, to stay out of America then. So I said, you sound like racist white folk. This man said, how can it be racism if we're all black? I'm just suggesting that y'all stay in your own country since America is so bad. Not once did I say America was bad, but let's continue. I said, you sound like one. Anyways, you displayed how fragile you are as a man with your response. White folks didn't even react the way you did. You just showed black immigrants how xenophobic some of our black American brothers and sisters are. This is a skit for Christ's sake. This is unbelievable, brother. So he replied to a comment that's up top that said, it's the other way around, sweetheart. Stop playing. Another person who's offended at this skit. Then he replied under that comment and said, they have the nerve to come here and judge us. They whole country still living like slaves. What? Excuse me? Huh? Then he told me I gotta keep those slave arms nice and tight. We were trading insults for insults, but he was more so on the racial side of things when I didn't bring up race at all. Not white or black. Chinese, Asian, whatever race is out there. Not once. I just said American. But this black gentleman here, who shared the same color as I, said that I gotta keep my slave arms tight. Then he said, anyways, this was fun. Bye, Kunta Kinte. All racial and slave insults by someone that's black. You would expect this from someone who's white, but no, that wasn't it. This individual right here hates black immigrants, and it's clear. Yeah, I'll continue to keep my slave arms tight, bro, instead of ending up with man boobs. But anyway, that's besides the point. It's so crazy how you as a black individual got the same ancestors that I got using slavery as an insult. That's wild. Man, it's just sad, man, that someone that looks like us is telling us to go back to our homes, sounding like racist white folks. You know, I've never been told by a white person to go back home to Jamaica. It happened twice. This is the second time, and both incidents happened with someone who looked like me. So all black immigrants, I just want you to know that not all black Americans are like this individual here. So don't treat your black brothers and sisters any different. But this gentleman and people with his mindset are very dangerous.
So Wagwan Jamaica. So hello everyone, I hope that you are all doing well. So guys, kindly, if it's your first time coming across my video, feel free to share, comment, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And for the returning ones, I want to appreciate you for the love and support that you have shown me. So guys, on to that video that you have see is that Jamaicans are facing critics like many other countries are feeling bad because Jamaican is a big brand and it has lots and lots of influence. So guys, you know, when you are big, you must have haters and people who do support you. So Jamaican is facing a lot of critics. You have seen Jamaicans, they are complaining a lot. Some critics even comes in the comment section. For the other guy, you have seen that he faces critics in the comment section. So guys, Jamaican is facing all of this just because it's a big brand and it has done a lot of things in this world. Guys, you can imagine this world without Jamaica. You know, Jamaican has produced the best music. Jamaican is the birthplace of reggae music. So many countries, the world knew Jamaican because of the music, the reggae music. You know, Bob Marley was the one who started the reggae music, and the music has a good message. It encourages people. It promotes love. The song that was sung by Bob Marley, One Love, it promotes love. So Jamaican became so popular because of the music. You know, when the reggae music spread all over the internet, many countries played the reggae music and they knew Jamaican because of reggae music. And I've seen many artists nowadays, they try singing like Jamaicans, like the Patois. You know, the Jamaicans speak the Patois language, and I've seen many people, they try to be like Jamaica. They try to sing like Jamaican and they wish they could do collabos. You know, many African singers, they wish that they could do collabo with Jamaican musician because they know Jamaican is a big brand, and when you do any music with Jamaica, you will trend. I've seen even here where I live, guys, our buses, our matatus are graffited with Bob Marley. They always play reggae music. Our clubs here, they always play reggae music. I remember when I was still in high school, we loved dancehall. You all know dancehall. You know, the legend Vybz Kartel, who was released the other day. We all loved his music. The school here where I live in Kenya, they always play dancehall. The buses, they always play dancehall, and that shows that Jamaican is a big brand and everybody want to be associated with Jamaica. And I think that is the reason as to why Jamaicans are facing criticism, because they feel bad. Jamaican is a small island in the Caribbean and it has outdo other big countries, and that's why people, they feel the hate. So Jamaican music is one of the things that made Jamaican popular, and when you are popular, you'll always find haters and people who loved you. So the music is the things that I think other countries, those that are hating, they keep on like saying bad words to Jamaicans because they know Jamaican is a big brand and they always do the best. The other thing I think is the culture, the food. Jamaican is being known for the best dishes. It's being ranked among the countries that have got the best dishes. So many other countries, they feel like, why are we not being recognized? Jamaica is a small island in the Caribbean, but it's being recognized with having the best dishes. We have so many channels nowadays trying to show us the way Jamaicans are cooking their food, because many people are recommending, they want to know how Jamaicans do their things. Jamaican knows how to throw a party. They know how to throw a party, and Jamaicans are very good people. They are very supportive, and they always do love each other. They are not racist. So the people of Jamaican are among the thing that makes Jamaican very famous. So Jamaicans, they are facing critics because it's a small island, but it has outdid the other big islands like some of the countries. Even Jamaican is being known for sports. Nobody doesn't know Jamaica. During the Olympics, there are lots and lots of million people watching the TV. Maybe others are streaming, others are watching live, and many people knew Jamaican because of sports. Jamaican has been known for breaking lots of records. Guys, you all know Usain Bolt, the fastest man on earth, even though he retired. Many people knew Jamaica because of breaking lots of records. So other countries, they are feeling bad because they cannot outdid Jamaica. They cannot produce any other fastest man like how Jamaican did. So Jamaican is being known for breaking lots of records. It's being known for winning in the 100-meter races we have nowadays. We have seen some upcoming teens and they are doing very well. They don't want to put the Jamaican flag down. They want always the Jamaican flag to be on top. We have seen Sharika Jackson. They are dominating in the track and field, and they are always making Jamaican proud, and they are always making sure that Jamaican will always be on top. I've seen even nowadays these whites, they travel to Jamaica. They want to know the secrets as to why the Jamaicans are always performing. So they travel to the world. I think they even hire coaches from Jamaican, but I think it's like the way the Jamaicans do their things, like it's in their bloodstream, like they are just blessed. They are just blessed and they have influence, and many people love Jamaica. And when you see these whites are traveling to Jamaica, that shows that Jamaican has got an influence, and many people do love to be like Jamaican, and that's the reason as to why people are very harassed. They harass these people. When you post anything about Jamaican, you'll always find a negative comment, and those are haters, because Jamaican is a big brand and it's being acknowledged. Even when you ask lots and lots of people to name any Caribbean islands, many people always know Jamaica. Even many people think that Jamaican is the only land in the Caribbean, just because what Jamaican has done to this world. Guys, you can imagine this world without Jamaican. We could not have the fastest man in the world. We could not have the best dishes. We could not have what you have been seeing, the culture of Jamaica. Jamaican, they always spread positive vibes. They have always on top, and they are showcasing and they are always hardworking, guys. Jamaicans are always hardworking. They do their best, and they always care about their brothers and sisters. And the other thing that proves that Jamaican has an impact and has an influence, guys, you can remember during Hurricane Melissa, the whole world was like praying for Jamaica. The world was supporting Jamaican, and it was a good thing. I've seen even many countries, they came together and they were giving food, they gave out money to the people of Jamaica, and that shows you that Jamaican has an influence. And what surprised me is that during the Hurricane Melissa, Jamaican was strong. They were caring for each other, and even they were producing some memes to show the world that they are strong. So those are some of the reasons that makes Jamaican famous. And when you are famous, you must have haters. You must have haters all over you. So guys, you can tell me in the comment section, what do you think makes other people feel jealous about Jamaican? You cannot scroll like past 5 videos and not get anything about Jamaica. Jamaican is all over the internet. You cannot scroll past 5 or 6 videos without getting a Jamaican video, or without getting a random video playing Jamaican song. That shows that Jamaican is a big brand. So guys, you can tell me in the comment section, what do you think makes Jamaica more famous, and what makes it have some countries hating on it? So guys, if it's your first time coming across my video, feel free to share, comment, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And for the returning ones, we want to appreciate you for the love and support that you have shown. So guys, meet you in my next video. Stay safe. One love.